You've probably seen those Lhanel Rock Stepper ads all over social media, the machine that promises to burn fat in just 15 minutes with its side-to-side rocking motion. But is it legit or just another fitness scam? Let's find out. The Lhanel Rock Stepper is a small workout machine that rocks side to side instead of going up and down like normal steppers. It claims to work your legs, glutes, and core all at once. The company says you only need 10 to 15 minutes a day to see results. Sounds amazing, right? But here's where it gets tricky. Some people actually like the product. Users say the equipment is easy to use and fast shipping. The machine is light, comes ready to use, and has a digital screen that tracks your steps and calories. If you receive it and it works, some users report it does provide a decent low impact workout. But here's the problem. Multiple complaints say the product is cheap plastic and breaks easily. People have reported broken parts right out of the box. Even worse, customers complain about tracking links that don't work and no response from customer service. The return policy is a nightmare. If you want to return it, you have to pay $50 to $70 for shipping, and there's no guarantee you'll get your money back. Some people say the company offered them a small discount to keep the broken product instead of accepting a return. Several customers have filed complaints with the Better Business Bureau. So, is it a scam? Technically, no, because some people do receive a working product, but with cheap materials, difficult returns, and poor customer service, it's definitely risky. There are similar steppers on Amazon for less money with better return policies. If you're thinking about buying a Lhanel Rock Stepper, proceed with extreme caution. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.